Okay, so I made this sphere shape and I'm going to show you how I did it. So first I created the div class sphere, and then I went and created a circle first. So I made it display block, made the background black, and the border radius has to be 50% in order to create a circle, and the height and the width need to be the same. I made them 300 pixels. And I made it to be away from the side by doing margin left 30 pixels. And you can also, if you want, you can make it be a bit away from the top if you want, using margin top. And then for the gradient, I used radial gradient and made it start in the center. And you have to pick two colors, and the gradient will be created with the values in between these two colors. Then to create this shadow on the bottom, I created three more classes right here. One called stage, and then inside it I created one called ball with shadow inside that one. And so I made the width and the height be 100%. And then you create a radial gradient. And then transform is how you can rotate things, as I use that to rotate the shadow from the middle of the circle. And then I did translate to move the shadow to just below the ball. Okay, that's my shape.